trails up to the mountaintop here are quite mild. The view is great from the top, especially on a sunny day. We've gotten quite a bit of rain, so there's like creeks and rivers everywhere. Hey, from the Pacific Northwest. I guess it's time to refill the coolant in the 4-liter. Filled it up a few weeks ago, just driving around town, maybe not even 100 miles or so, and the overflow bottle is empty again. Got this Jeep maybe 15 years ago. At the time we didn't know, but the head was cracked already. They had put so much stop leak in it that it wasn't losing any coolant, but wouldn't give any heat neither. The heater core was completely clogged. It didn't bother us till we moved up north for a few years, and the heater was a lot more important. I got it back flushed, but then we were losing coolant all the time. Till we figured out, oh yeah, it's a cracked head. But besides that, we must have put like, I don't know how many, like 50,000 kilometers on this thing or more. We've been driving this Jeep for like 15 years, like cross country, and it's still running. So this time, rather than trying to patch the head, which I tried twice with epoxy, this time I'm gonna put a 630 head to replace the 331. Hopefully that'll make it a lot more dependable vehicle. This time I'm going to take note how many kilometers I'm doing before the overflow bottle empties. Next step is to order a new head gasket, and I'm planning on getting new bolts this time. So may as well wait till after Christmas, till the parcel rushes are done. But soon after Christmas, I'll be taking this head off. So, I'd like to do a compression test also. The oil pressure is good. Oil pressure, engine warm, at idle. There you go, around 2250. Around 2250 RPM. Engine oil pressure good. Never really done the compression test neither, but like a non-issue, it still runs strong. So just annoying with the losing the coolant, and then sometimes the lifters stick. Seems like if the coolant sits in the lifter for a few days, I don't know if the oil rises and the coolant goes into the lifter, or the lifters stick for a bit, or it starts tapping. So another little annoyance, and it sucks because last time, or a few years ago, I replaced the lifters and the push rods also. So we'll have to see if we need to change those again, or probably not. So yeah. Hopefully this is the last time we add coolant to it. Well, on till after we replaced the head. Stay tuned to see if we can get the 630 head to work on this 2001 Jeep Cherokee, and then put the 0331 on the bench. Till next time, take care.